Hello, my beauties. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So, first of all, yes, I have chopped down my hair. This is first time I have chopped down my hair so much, like literally from here, from my waistline till my shoulder. But I'm feeling so good with my new hair. And then, sorry for being MIA for such a long time from my YouTube channel. Actually, I launched my brand of bags. If you don't know, and if you're not following me on Instagram, then please go and follow right now, because you'll come to know all the launches which I have done. And yes, today's video is completely dedicated to this beautiful jewelry from Zevar for You page on Instagram. I will be linking down in the description box below. Please go and check out their collection. They have amazing collection, guys, and I'll be telling you, I will be creating this beautiful look in the video. So don't leave this video here, watch till the end. And before that, I want to show you a close-up of this beautiful jewelry, how beautiful it is, and then we will move ahead on the tutorial. Keep watching till the end. So this is the beautiful look which I have created for you people. You can recreate this look for any of your occasion, guys. And I'm wearing this beautiful jewelry, this amazing jewelry from Zevar for you. You can check out the link if you want to buy in the description box down below. And thanks for watching this video till the end. Keep loving me, guys, as you do. I hope you are loving this new look of my hair, and I'll be back again soon. Bye bye. See ya.